Let's be honest, how many times have you finished a workout feeling that post-exercise glow and ready to refuel your body with a protein shake? You reach for your trusty shaker bottle, the one you've had for ages, expecting a delicious and satisfying reward for all your hard work. But instead, you grabbed your shaker and ended up with a lumpy, chalky mess. A gritty, unappetizing concoction that's far from the smooth, creamy treat you were envisioning. It's a common problem, isn't it, instead of a smooth shake? A perfectly blended protein drink that actually tastes good and helps your muscles recover? That seems like a distant dream when you're staring down at a shaker full of clumps. You shake and shake, putting in all your effort, arms burning, hoping against hope that this time will be different. You're practically giving your arms a second workout, just trying to get the powder to dissolve properly. But the clumps just won't go away. They stubbornly cling to the sides of the bottle, mocking your efforts. You're left with a frustrating mix of liquid and solid, a far cry from the smooth consistency you desire. The wire ball usually just gets stuck at the bottom or the top, offering little to no help in breaking up those stubborn protein clumps. It's more of a noisy nuisance than a helpful mixing tool. And if you forget to clean it, even for just a few hours, the smell is enough to knock you out. A pungent, sour odor that lingers long after you've tossed the bottle in the sink. It's a biohazard waiting to happen. Traditional shakers are messy, prone to spills and leaving a fine dusting of protein powder on every surface they touch. Smelly, even after a thorough wash, that lingering protein funk just never seems to fully disappear and rarely deliver that perfect blend, leaving you with a less than ideal post-workout recovery experience. But what if your shaker could do more? What if it could actually enhance your fitness journey instead of hindering it? Like mix your shake perfectly with just a button. Imagine the convenience, the time saved, and the perfectly smooth results every single time. Imagine a bottle that reminds you to hydrate throughout the day, ensuring you're meeting your daily water intake goals effortlessly, and keeps you on track with your fitness goals, monitoring your progress, and providing valuable insights into your hydration habits. This isn't sci-fi. Smart shakers are here, revolutionizing the way we think about protein shakes and hydration, making nutrition easier and tastier, and helping you achieve your fitness goals with greater ease and enjoyment. No more lumpy shakes or stinky bottles, just smooth, delicious protein shakes and a clean, fresh bottle every time. Fitness tech is evolving fast. From smartwatches to advanced workout equipment, technology is transforming the way we approach fitness. So why settle for old-school gear when you can upgrade your shaker to a smart, efficient, and hygienic alternative? Today, we're diving into the world of smart shakers, exploring their features, benefits, and how they stack up against traditional shaker bottles, and how they can upgrade your routine, making your fitness journey more enjoyable, efficient, and ultimately more successful. Picture this. You've just pushed your limits, muscles burning, sweat dripping. You gave it your all in that workout, leaving nothing behind. The feeling of accomplishment is amazing, but your body is screaming for replenishment. All you can think about is that creamy, delicious protein shake, the one you promised yourself as a reward for all that hard work. It's the perfect way to kickstart your recovery and nourish your tired muscles. You reach into your gym bag and grab your trusty old plastic shaker. It's been with you through thick and thin, a constant companion on your fitness journey. You carefully scoop in your favorite protein powder, the foundation of your post-workout recovery. Then you add water, the catalyst that will transform the powder into a delicious muscle-building elixir. You close the lid and shake like crazy, putting all your remaining energy into the task. You shake it with the determination of someone who knows exactly what they want. You're confident that this time it'll be perfect. You've shaken it long enough, hard enough. You bring the shaker to your lips, ready to savor that first glorious sip. But then, reality hits. Instead of a smooth, creamy texture, you get a mouthful of gritty, unmixed powder, chunks of protein stubbornly clinging together, refusing to dissolve. The disappointment is real, crashing down on you like a wave. Your well-deserved reward turns into a chore, a frustrating reminder of the imperfections of life. It's a small frustration, yes, but it adds up over time. Each clumpy shake chips away at your motivation, making you question the whole process. And when nutrition feels like a hassle, consistency suffers. You start skipping shakes, rationalizing that it's not worth the effort. And consistency, as you know, is everything when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. It's the bedrock upon which progress is built. This clumpy shake struggle, this seemingly minor inconvenience, happens to fitness enthusiasts everywhere, every single day. It's a universal experience, a shared frustration in the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle. It's not just about one bad shake, one instance of gritty disappointment. It's about transforming your routine into something truly enjoyable, something you actually look forward to, so you can stick with it day after day, week after week, building a sustainable and rewarding fitness journey. Because the easier and more satisfying your routine becomes, the less resistance you'll face. And the more likely you are to keep going, to stay committed to your goals, and to ultimately achieve the results you desire. That's precisely why solving this seemingly small problem matters so much in the grand scheme of things. So what's the good news? There's finally a solution that addresses this age-old problem head-on. Smart shakers equipped with innovative technology are changing the protein shake game forever. Let's dive in and see exactly how these smart shakers are revolutionizing the way we fuel our bodies. Meet Alex, a regular gym goer who dreaded post-workout shakes because of the clumps and mess. Busy days meant forgotten shakers and missed nutrition windows. Then Alex tried a smart shaker. With one button, the powerful motor created a perfectly smooth shake, no clumps, no grit. Suddenly, refueling was quick, easy, and enjoyable. The smart shaker's storage pod kept extra powder handy, and cleaning was a breeze. Just add soap, water, and blend. No more excuses, no more missed shakes. Alex became more consistent, recovered faster, and saw better results. It wasn't a gimmick, it was a game changer. The right tool made all the difference. Smart shakers turn a chore into a treat. That's the power of great fitness tech. Ready to see what makes these gadgets so special? So what makes a shaker smart? The secret is a built-in motor that creates a powerful vortex, blending powders in seconds. No more manual shaking or whisk balls. Some models even track hydration and connect to your phone, reminding you to drink throughout the day. Modular storage lets you carry extra powder or vitamins, keeping everything organized. Most are USB rechargeable, with long battery life. Cleaning? Just add water and soap. Press a button and it cleans itself. No more smelly bottles or stuck-on residue. Smart shakers are all about convenience and consistency. They make it easy to stick to your nutrition plan. That's why they're leading the fitness tech revolution. Let's check out some of the best options. Alright, let's dive into the world of smart shakers. First up, we have the PROMiXX 1R, a name synonymous with innovation in the fitness world. This isn't just your average shaker bottle. It's a high-tech solution designed to elevate your supplement game. The PROMiXX 1R is a long-standing favorite for those who demand both power and a sleek, modern design. It's more than just aesthetics. It's about having a tool that reflects your commitment to a healthy lifestyle. This shaker is engineered to deliver consistent results, ensuring your protein shakes and supplements are perfectly blended every single time. At the heart of the IXR is its unique X-blade paddle. This isn't your typical shaker ball. It's a precisely engineered component designed for maximum efficiency. The X-blade paddle works to create a powerful, smooth vortex inside the bottle. This vortex action is key to breaking down powders and ensuring a lump-free, enjoyable drink. Say goodbye to gritty textures and hello to perfectly mixed supplements. This innovative design ensures thorough blending of supplements without damaging the delicate protein structures. It preserves the integrity of your supplements, ensuring you get the full nutritional benefit from every shake. The PROMiXX 1R is made from incredibly tough, odor-resistant Triton plastic. This premium material is not only durable, but also ensures that your shaker remains fresh and clean, use after use. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use and won't absorb odors, so it won't stink up your gym bag, even after the toughest workouts. You can confidently carry it wherever you go, knowing it's ready for your next shake. Powering the X-blade is a robust USB rechargeable motor. This eliminates the need for batteries and ensures you're always ready to blend. A single charge gives you plenty of blends, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether you're at the gym, at work, or on the go, you can rely on the iXR to deliver consistent performance. The PROMiXX iXR features a leak-proof lid and a secure flip cap. This combination ensures that your shakes stay where they belong, inside the bottle. This thoughtful design means no spills, no mess, and no wasted supplements. You can shake with confidence knowing your drink is secure. Adding to its convenience is the integrated NutriPod. This clever compartment stores your powder separately, keeping it fresh and dry until you're ready to mix. It's the perfect solution for pre- or post-workout shakes on the go. When you're ready for your shake, simply add water, drop in the powder from the NutriPod, and press the button for a perfectly blended shake in seconds. It's quick, easy, and ensures you get the nutrition you need when you need it. Cleaning is just as easy. Just add water, a bit of soap, and activate the motor for a quick blend. This self-cleaning action makes maintenance a breeze. The PROMiXX iXR is a premium, reliable shaker designed for anyone serious about their nutrition and fitness goals. It's an investment in your health and a testament to your commitment to excellence. If you want effortless, smooth shakes every single time, without the hassle of manual shaking, then the PROMiXX iXR is undoubtedly a top pick. But the world of smart shakers doesn't end here. Let's explore another smart option and see how it stacks up. Next, the Ice Shaker TM. No motor, but packed with smart design. Made from double-wall stainless steel, it keeps drinks cold for over 30 hours. The twist-in agitator breaks up powder quietly. No rattling metal ball. It fits in any cup holder and has a leak-proof, easy-open lid. Stainless steel means no lingering odors. Switch from shakes to water with no weird taste. It's durable, easy to carry, and doubles as a water bottle or travel mug. If you want ice-cold drinks and a better blend, this is your upgrade. Smart design solves the same old problems. Now let's look at a true portable blender. Meet the BlendJet 2, a portable blender that goes beyond shakes. It's compact, USB rechargeable, and powerful enough to crush ice, fruit, and nuts, make smoothies, juices, or even dips anywhere, gym, office, or outdoors. TurboJet trademark blades create a tornado effect for ultra-smooth blends. Self-cleaning, just add water and soap, blend, and you're done. BPA-free with measurement markings and tons of color options. It's a style accessory as much as a nutrition tool. For creative on-the-go nutrition, BlendJet 2 is unbeatable. It bridges the gap between shaker and blender. Ready to get your hands on one? Ready to upgrade? You can find the PROMiXX, Ice Shaker trademark, and BlendJet 2 on their official websites for the best selection and deals. Amazon is another great option. Fast delivery and helpful reviews. Check major fitness retailers and supplement stores for in-person shopping. Compare prices, read reviews, and look for discounts before you buy. Whether you shop online or in-store, you're just a click away from better shakes. Make sure you buy from reputable sellers to avoid fakes. Now let's wrap up. That's the Smart Shaker revolution, making nutrition easier, tastier, and more consistent. Now I want to hear from you. Are you still using a traditional shaker, or have you tried a smart one? Share your experiences, tips, or favorite smoothie recipes in the comments. Your feedback helps others in the community. What fitness tech do you want to learn about next? Trackers apps, recovery tools. Let me know your ideas. Thanks for watching. Keep smashing your goals, and see you next time.
If you don't like boring workouts but still want results, then tap into the Ask Fit Tech channel. Whether you're tracking your workouts, exploring the latest fitness gadgets, or just need a motivational boost, Ask Fit Tech has you covered. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Instagram for daily tips, tricks, and tech reviews that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. Join the Ask Fit Tech revolution now. Hit that subscribe button and follow us everywhere.